Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. This is the unboxing of Boxycharm for November. I already have my box open because this is my second time trying to record this video. See? So let's just jump into the good stuff. This is the November box. I know it's late and I know it's already December, but I wasn't sure if I was going to get this box because if you guys remember, I had to cancel my Boxy subscription because I had the Bye Bye Birdie ColourPop collection coming, and I was on the website a couple nights ago and I was like, you know what? Let's get back into Boxy. And I subscribed to it because it had a free gift with it and it gave me November's. So I will be doing November's and December's. I know it's December, but whatever. So this is the info sheet. If you remember my last unboxing video, I talk about how flimsy the Boxycharm info sheet is, and this one is very sturdy, more like a flashcard. And the theme is stellar. Let's open her up, and of course it's got all of the information. Talks about Boxy Lux and Boxy Pop-Up, Compection? Is compection a word, Boxycharm? I don't think so. Complexion, customization. We'll talk about all that good stuff. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button below. Go over to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. The links will be below, and let's jump in. Okay, so this is November's box. It is a little bit bigger. It's like the Boxy premium size, just because I did get a gift. So we'll talk about the gift afterwards. And yeah. When I opened my box, the first thing I saw was the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Date Night. So this lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable wearing matte finish. A little bit of background on this. This is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and it's vegan. So when it says it's vegan, that means that they don't use crushed up beetles in their product. And this lipstick retails for the price of $18. So first thoughts, I love this packaging. I'm not really into the bullets, I'm really into these. Let's open her up. Love the applicator. Ooh, that is like the worst swatch ever, but ooh, that is pretty. Okay, the next product that I got is the Dr. Brandt. This is not on my list, so why did I get this? This is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. I've already gotten this once, so I'm not going to go into it again. I will link the video to my last unboxing where you can see this at. Okay, the next item is the Caprice Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So the antioxidants dew lavishes skin with quenching and encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing biotinicals. Uses a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. So this alone retails for $90. Let me remind you that if you subscribe to Boxycharm, you get 5 products, full-size makeup products, skincare, makeup for $25 a month. Okay, I have seen a lot of good reviews on this. That is super thick, and this is all glass. Ooh, not sure about the smell. It's super soft. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is a Milk makeup product, and I have been looking for these everywhere, and I can't ever find them. So the Milk makeup, this is the Milk makeup holographic stick. So this is a best-selling holographic cream highlighter stick packed with meteorite powder for a prismatic glow on cheeks, lips, and eyes. So this retails for $28. I have been looking for these everywhere. And they screw off just like that. And let's see. It's super light. Let me see. Super light, but it is like illuminizing. Okay, so let's see what's next. So I did get some face masks in this box this month. So these are Haruru Wonder Maki Berry Antioxidant Mask Sheets. So containing extracts of maku berry, this mask provides your skin with antioxidants and anti-aging effects. Patented with technology, and this mask encourages healthy skin, functions with regeneration and anti-inflammation, and targets many skin imperfections. This sheet is made from 100% cotton, and a non-chlorine bleaching process that allows a delicate touch with enhanced adherence to the skin. So these retail for $9 a piece, and you know they sent you two, which is nice. And the last product that was not a gift is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. This is an explosion of vivid pigments and shadows and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. So this palette alone retails for $35. This is cruelty-free, and I'm pretty sure that Kristen Dominique, she is a YouTuber, so her YouTube link is on, or her YouTube name is right here. First thoughts, I'm loving how big these pigments or these shades are. I'm really loving the names. So there's Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dream, Storm Dose, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. This is a really pretty product. Like, shout out to Dominique. And for my gift, I did receive a Tarte product. So this is the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. This is super cute. Like, I've never had an eyeshadow palette this shape before. It's super cute, and it's got 8 shades. So there are 4 mattes and 4 shimmer shades. So those are okay. I'm not the biggest fan of Tarte because I haven't played with a lot of Tarte stuff. So we will kind of check that out. Last thing that I got in my box this month was the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. And there are 4 shades to see which exactly would match my complexion. So just looking at this 3rd shade might work. Let me see. This 3rd shade might work, or this 2nd shade. Let's see. Okay, that smells like paint. Okay, so I am thinking that these 2 shades will be good. I'm going to try them out in my next video. Okay, so this box alone is a $280 value. Boxyluxe, you receive 8 full-size products, prestige beauty, and lifestyle products, well worth over $275 for $50 every 3 months, equivalent to FabFitFun. I am a FabFitFun affiliate. I do FabFitFun. I don't see the need right now in this time to join Boxyluxe. If they want to send me a box and have me review it and then maybe I'll join, that would be a different story. The last 3 Boxyluxes were worth over $300. Ooh, okay. What is that? Okay, so Boxyluxe subscribers get the chance to choose 1 to 3 items in their box, just like FabFitFun. For December's box, the choice was between Elmis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil and Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. You can still upgrade and get December's box. Visit boxycharm.com/Boxyluxe. So there is a Boxy pop-up as well. So you can, with that, you can also shop beauty and lifestyle products. Up to 80% off that started November 12th. Didn't get to shop November's Boxy pop-up. Stay tuned. Boxy pop-up is now every 3 months. So you can buy products. There's primer, oil, a water bottle, lifestyle stuff. Probably stuff you can get in the Boxyluxe. So there is complexion customization. How does it work? Swatch the Becca or Pretty Vulgar complexion pack in your November box. Visit boxycharm.com/complexion and let us know which shade best match your complexion. Receive complexion products better matched to you in a future Boxy. So yeah. That is all of that. And that is all that I'm going to do today. I am going to end this video just talking about this stuff, and I'm going to do a video right after this. I'm about to record a new one, and I'm going to be using the full face of Boxy products. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Today is Monday. There's a new video at 4 p.m. tomorrow, and this is my first ever Get Ready With Me. If you haven't seen that, I'll drop that link below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Ooh, okay. What is that? Boxyluxe subscribers get the chance to choose 1 to 3 items in their box, just like FabFitFun. For December's box, the choice was between Elmis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil and Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. You can still upgrade and get December's box. Visit boxycharm.com boxylux. So there is a Boxy pop-up as well. So you can, with that, you can also shop beauty and lifestyle products. Up to 80% off. That started November 12th. Didn't get to shop November's Boxy pop-up. Stay tuned. Boxy pop-up is now every 3 months. So you can buy products. There's primer, oil, a water bottle, lifestyle stuff. Probably stuff you can get in the Boxylux. So there is complexion customization. How does it work? Swatch the Becca or Pretty Vulgar complexion pack in your November box. Visit boxycharm.com/complexion and let us know which shade best match your complexion. Receive complexion products better matched to you in a future Boxy. So, yeah. That is all of that. That is all that I'm going to do today. I am going to end this video just talking about this stuff, and I'm going to do a video right after this. I'm about to record a new one, and I'm going to be using the full face of Boxy products. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Today is Monday. There's a new video at 4 p.m. tomorrow, and this is my first ever Get Ready With Me. If you haven't seen that, I'll drop that link below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.